Tonight, the moon looks peaceful, but its ancient surface hides a violent story. Every crater is a reminder that the early solar system was a far more violent place than the sky above us suggests. And the moon may preserve evidence of one of the most extraordinary events in Earth's earliest history. And the moon may preserve evidence of one of the most extraordinary events in Earth's earliest history. The planets did not simply appear. They grew, piece by piece, collision by collision. Earth was one of them, but the young Earth was nothing like the blue world we know today. One leading model proposes that the young Earth was struck by another planetary body, roughly comparable to Mars in size. The two worlds approached across the darkness. Their paths converged. Then they collided. Rock melted, material blasted into orbit, and Earth was transformed. The collision left Earth surrounded by molten rock, vapor, and debris. Some fell back, some remained in orbit. Within that orbiting debris, fragments began colliding again. Some merged, building larger bodies. Gravity continued to work. As material gathered, one body began to dominate the others. The moon was beginning to emerge, but it was nothing like the quiet gray air we see today. The newborn moon was hot, partially molten, and scarred by the violence of its formation. Then time took over. The moon cooled, its crust solidified, and impacts carved the landscape we recognize today. But how could we know what happened more than 4 billion years ago? We study what the collision left behind. Ancient lunar rocks became important clues. Scientists could compare their composition with rocks from Earth. Inside those rocks are isotopic signatures, chemical fingerprints that help scientists reconstruct the moon's origin. But rocks are only part of the story. Earth and moon also carry clues in their motion and shared angular momentum. Scientists test different impact angles, energies, and conditions, then ask which scenarios best reproduce what we observe. Taken together, the evidence points strongly toward a giant impact, but not every detail is known. The exact angle, speed, structure of the impactor, and path from debris to moon remain areas of research. And every night, the moon still carries evidence of that ancient story, its rocks, its scars, and its orbit. So when you look at the moon, remember, you are seeing the surviving witness to a violent chapter in Earth's earliest history. A world born